My name's Kenneth Davis. Yeah, typical day we come in and as always, we're a production-oriented company, so we always check our orders, make contact with the ones we're working directly with. Along that, I also probably am gonna have some kind of new production to do, a new model or modification, but production is the first order of business. I have been doing carpentry work for 42 years now, so I was able to transfer a lot of my woodworking skills over from residential housing and interior trim work into the furniture business. Just a good general knowledge of tools, geometry, a little bit of experience. Of course, I enjoy working with my hands. It's very therapeutic. Keeps my mind occupied. Favorite part about this job is working with the people around me, friendships, the camaraderie we have, and also that we can come together and conquer the day's jobs, whatever's got to be done, we always find a way to do it. We're always looking to improve the mousetrap, so to speak. It may be a production, may be in the process, or it may be in the product. But we're always trying to make production smoother, and we're always trying to make our product better. I think I'm a pretty good leader by example, because I get in there and work with my hands right beside anyone. Most of the time, I'm pretty patient, so just don't push me. No, I don't need to say stuff like that. I enjoyed building the big chair. I've enjoyed all of the displays for all of the trade shows that we've done. Probably one of my favorite memories was going to Wrigley Field and catching the Cubs. They were good that year. I just had to throw in all the good friendships I've made here. It would probably be the highlight of all the time, though. In fact, I'm just so handsome. Which is obvious. I'm a family man. I love music, I love people. That's it, bud. Not to sweat the small stuff. Every job you're gonna run into difficulties usually on a daily basis. Just get it done and get on to the next project.